I know that you want me, you know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. When it you been, Doc, I have my patience on you. I win in every gym.
Yeah, my hair is so pretty right here. If you want to know how I got this beautiful braiding curl, keep watching and you will definitely learn how to do it. But this color is everything, y'all. Oh my gosh.
That I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready.
And this is the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I just bought that and I'm just now really just using it. I'm going to put that all over my hair. As you can see, it is very thick and creamy, which is what I like because my hair going to need a lot more moisture than what it already be needing because I just color my hair again. So here I am working it into my hair right here.
Take off all my jewelry. You still was down before you knew I was a terrorist. I blow. You ready too much though.
And here I am sectioning my hair off so it can be easier to work with while applying this leave-in. And I'm just gonna keep working into my hair until I feel like my hair is fully moisturized with the leave-in conditioner, fully saturated with the leave-in.
I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. When it you been, Doc, I have my.
And as you can see, I'm trying to get my edges first because my hair broke off a lot on my edges.
You're fucking when I'm not in town. You letting your sucker when I'm not around. You know the way I live in, they might lock me down. I hope you be the God, I gun you down. She know all I sing with Del, she know how that sound. Am I in that GGA or just a rebound?
And at this point, my hair is fully drenched in the leave-in conditioner. Well, not drenched, but you know, it's fully saturated with the leave-in conditioner. And now I'm about to just section my hair off to where I want my part for this braiding curl. And here I am sectioning my hair off again so it can be easier while putting my hair into smaller sections and braid my hair down. Well, plait my hair down. And I need to sit down still trying to turn the hair.
Yeah, you been, Doc, I have my patience on you. I win in every gym. I'm still waiting on you.
And here I am about to go in with the Cantu Moisturizing Cream so my hair can get some more good moisture and not to be dry. And that's a thick cream also, y'all. So I like it. And here I am about to take some Cantu Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel to form some definition and moisture into my hair. I want a lot of moisture and I want some definition with this style. So I'm taking a dime size amount of that because I really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, really. Then I'm going to start playing my hair. Well, I took my paddle brush first to detangle, then I'm stopping playing my hair.
Right with 2 kids, I hit your house and bag in. You know you while I'm playing the game, you get mad in. No one for me to see your shame, but don't worry. Before I judge, I take off all my jewelry. You still was down before you knew I was a terrorist. You ready too much though, you is Aquarius. They watch me too much, now I had to hide my rollie. I just wanted what's some time from me, but I gave you all the finer things.
Then when I get towards the end, I just flatten the end out. I take a perm rod and I wrap the end around. See, I'm showing y'all the end. I had the takedown. And I'm wrapping that end around the perm rod. Then I'm gonna secure it. And it's just all to this braid and curl that I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm still waiting on you. Ain't like you fucking when I'm not in town. You letting your sucker when I'm not around. You know the way I live in, they might lock me down.
I'm about to repeat the same steps with this section. The moisturizing cream, then the moisturizing gel, the paddle brush to detangle, plait it up, then put the perm rod on the end.
And on your couch in your apartment, who drive your car while you're at work lately? You better throw away my toothbrush, baby. I my Xbox, I'm tired of playing my game. You can have my PS4, but don't go playing my game. You know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. Funny where you been, Doc. I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you.
Oh, let's take over.
I know that you want me, you know that I need you. I pray I can see you when.
And here I am finna do the same thing to the leg section. The same thing.
I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you. You let me hit it listening to the weekend. I name on two the if we ever had twins. Robbing 2Ks, I hit your house and bag in. Ignore you while I'm playing the game, you get mad in. No one for me to see your shame, but don't worry. Before I judge, I take off all my jewelry. You still were down before you knew I was a terrorist. You read it too much though, you is Aquarius. They watch me too much, now I had to hide my rollie. I just wanted what's some time from me. But I gave you all the finer thing. I did it backwards just like Russian cream. I know that you want me, you know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone.
I'm all done, and this is the finished look. The color is sitting so pretty on my hair. Then you're about to see me be a dumbass and be sad about not pressing record before putting the oil on my hair and taking the rods down. Y'all supposed to be seeing all it, but dawg, I ain't pressed record, so. I put some olive oil all over my hair, make sure it was good and shiny, and lock in all the moisture that I didn't lock in last night. I was really taking my hair down so I wouldn't get too much frizz, even though I don't care about no frizz, because I like big hair anyway. I love volume. But I'm taking all the sections down first.
I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you.
Oh, let's take over.
I know that you want me, you know that I.
Now that my hair is fully down and out of the plaits, I'm gonna give it a good shake so I can, what's the word? Damn. Separate them easily. So I can separate my curls easily. Damn.
Waiting on you. You let me hit it listening to the weekend. I name on two the if we ever had twins. Robbing 2Ks, I hit your house and bag in. Ignore you while I'm playing the game, you get mad in. No one for me to see your shame, but don't worry. Before I judge, I take off all my jewelry. You still were down before you knew I was a terrorist. You read it too much though, you is Aquarius. They watch me too much, now I had to hide my rollie. I just wanted what's some time from me. But I gave you all the finer thing. I did it backwards just like Russian cream. I know that you want me, you know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. Funny that you been, Doc. I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you. Think like you fucking when I'm not in town. You letting your sucker when I'm not around. Cause the way I live in, they might knock me down. I hope you be the God, I gun you down. She know all I seen was death, she know how that sound. Am I in that DGA or just a rebound? Don't make me get no charges. I'm dangerously in love with your eye. Who been laying on your couch in your apartment? Who drive your car while you at work lately? You finna throw away my toothbrush, baby. I got my Xbox, I'm tired of playing my game. You can have my PS4, but don't go playing my game. You know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. Funny that you been, Doc. I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you.
Oh, that's takeover.
I know that you want me, you know that I need you. I pray I can see you when I'm gone. Just tell me when you're ready. I don't care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. Funny that you been, Doc. I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you. You let me hit it listening to the weekend. I name on Tutor if we ever had twins. Robbing 2Ks, I hit your house and bag in.
So here I am trying to be a sexy YouTuber and show off my pretty hair. Cause this is the finished look. Are you hoes? Yeah. Bitch, my hair is pretty. I did it, baby. My hair is pretty. So thank you all for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Share this video with your mama, your auntie, because somebody wants to know how to do a braided hair. Thank you for watching again.
Care about your credit. If it's good, I still can't leave you alone. Funny that you been, Doc. I had my patience on you. I went in every gym. I'm still waiting on you. Think like you fucking when I'm not in town. You letting your sucker when I'm not around. Cause the way I live in, they might knock me down. I hope you be the guy.
I am the diamond princess, so I'm loving every second. Baptize him in my. He said I'm such a blessing. I'm the shit and I'm that bitch without a motherfucking doubt.